Can you hear what she's saying?
I can't hear anything.
Me either. I still can't hear her.
I know, it's driving me crazy.
What are we gonna do?
Did I hear hard of hearing, ladies? Well, I could hear it from all the way back here. Try these on.
What happened in 1492?
I can hear her.
Oh, let me try.
Columbus sailed the ocean blue.
We're gonna ace this test.
This is awesome.
You can even hear people from a hallway's length away.
He's so cute.
Totally. I love how I can adjust the volume by just closing my ears. Now it's nice and quiet. Wait, hold on. What's that?
Fire!
Fire, let's go!
It can even save your life.
Go.
The Supermatic sound enhancer can be yours for 2 easy payments of $24.95. And if you call within the next 10 minutes, we'll include its basket for easy storage. See, just like that, the ears don't get broken, easy protection, you can carry it with you anywhere. Yours, the Supermatic sound enhancer. 2 easy payments, $24.95.
I love it. You will include this.